Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe team, and I want to show you crazy new feature that we just released to DataDoe. So basically the feature is called Explorer, and essentially it works like a complex pivot table inside the Excel. However, you got the direct connection to the Amazon data from SP API and advertisement API, so you don't have to worry about it at all. You just click one button and you got all of the data in a nice format where you can play around, create filters and aggregations. Let me show you. So we are right now in the DataDoe platform, the AI analytics and profitability tool for Amazon sellers and agencies. Let me go to the Explorer that we just launched, and we are right now here in this section. And before I showed you the full demo and the explanation, I just want to talk about the different data sets that we have here. You can get data about your products, your cost of goods, your stock, your orders, your negative keywords, sponsor brand campaigns, sponsor display campaigns, sponsor products campaigns. So pretty much everything that every seller is fighting with when building custom reporting solutions. So you can pick any of it, get the explanation and play around with the data. Now let me show you the full demo.
To use Explorer, you first select a template from a template list. We have prepared many templates for you that meet many business needs. Let's select Explore products for this example. For each template, you can get familiar with its description and sample use cases in the description box below. Then you select a time frame, which for this example will be the last month. Finally, you select seller or vendor you want to start your Explorer for, and you click Run. Now the data will load. When the data is ready, you can freely explore your data using the prepared pivot table template. Here on the top left corner, you see the grouping columns, which show how your data is grouped. It reflects how nested lists are shown in the Explorer view. Next, you have your columns, which have titles. You can freely sort, filter, and reorganize columns as you wish using the columns header or the columns menu on the right, which lets you turn on and off columns, reorganize them, or select different options for aggregations and other related functions. But you can explore the underhood data with the details view of each export that was used to prepare Explorer. For doing so, you select from the list your export and wait for the data to load. On the raw export view, you have raw table with all the raw data used to prepare your Explorer. Here, you can freely and without any risk explore the data and modify the column scheme depending on your needs and data experience. When you are on Explorer, you have also a few options of exporting your data. You can either download a CSV with the data. By clicking the Download as CSV button, it will download a zip file with all CSVs that were used to create your Explorer. You can download an Excel file which contains Excel spreadsheet with the similar view as the Explorer that you are seeing on the screen. The columns button, you can turn on and off the columns menu, and in case you mess up with your template and want to go back, you can click on Reset, which will reset the table to the default template.
Alright, so that was the Explorer functionality that we just released inside the DataDoe platform. If you want to try it, we actually have a 7 days free trial, so you can go to datadoe.com, sign up, connect your Amazon accounts and play around it with this and tons of other features. Thanks all for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.